good afternoon everyone. So I am the discussant for today's meeting. So my topic is all about impact of personal and professional experiences in education. So multicultural education. So multicultural education focuses on creating a diverse and inclusive learning environment by integrating different cultural perspectives. So wala naman tayo nga. Multicultural education is it is understanding of differences of each cultural differences of each students. So, importance of personal experience in education. So, can you help us to read?
Connection to learning. Personal experiences provide relatable examples for students to connect with subject matter.
So, example is sa subject natin sa science, di ba ga-discuss na about climate change. So, it might find the topic more relevant if ato siyang ma-connect into our own learning experience. So, for instance, ang mga na-learn sa student, they can apply and understand in real life situation. So, for that moment, masunod nila ang connection to learning kay na-apply na nato in real life situation or the scenario. So, next is emotional impact. Ang please read.
Emotional impact. Students' personal experiences can evoke emotions that enhance their engagement with the material.
So, the young part is, as di ba kay, every time na i-share sa ato bilang mga experiences, as some of us is makaharelate sa ilahang parang situations like, kanang naki-classmate na mo share sa ilahang kaagi, so di ba kay, after sharing their experiences, na is ma-apply nila natin yung emotional impact because we understand each individual's emotions. So next is promote empathy. Can you please read?
Understanding personal experiences of others foster empathy and mutual respect among students.
So after katong kay na so emotional impact, sunod diri ang promote empathy kay because so as a teacher nata if kanang ibali if ang natay students mag-share og ilang experiences, so after kanang ato mabalan nga mao din na iyahang kuan, mao din na iyang kaagi, so kita as a teacher mas masabdan nato ang student ngano ingana sila. Mao na siya promote empathy. So next is impact of professional experiences in education.
Real-world application. Professional experiences help educators relate theoretical concept to practical scenarios for students.
So, for example, sa atong science teachers, mas more reliable siya if ang mag-discuss ta if kanang is more tangible object or makita sa student mismo. So like for example, kung giingon ni Ma'am Gillen sa if mag-discuss ta, if mag-bantag topic like need na to kanang real object na makita sa students na kana siya for example sa pencil. So pinagla ay one class ay nagdungan og isa ka pencil, nagdungan og isa ka pencil. So mas masabtan dali sa student nga kana siya is duhang answer kay mas makita nila o mas dali nila masabtan if makita niya in real objects. Then next is enhance instruction. Ozone, please read.
Enhance instruction. Teachers' professional experiences augment the quality and depth of classroom instruction.
So, sa diri is as a teacher, you need to enhance the instruction so that kanang dali makasabot ang students. Next is cultural mastery.
Cultural mastery. Developing cultural competence through professional experiences enhances the overall educational experience.
So, diri ang part is cultural mastery. So, ibali sa some of teacher nga na-experience nila sa Philippines, tas mo-abroad sila like kanang sa ang ubang teacher di ba kay mo Thailand, di nga na. So, ang mahimutan is ang culture dira sa Philippines is na possibility nga ma-share nila sa ilang sa students. So, from that moment, kanang ang students is they can apply, they can help students develop understanding of cultural differences. So the next is creating a supportive learning environment. First is diversity. Bring it up next week.
Promote diversity and inclusion in all aspects of teaching and learning.
So, di ang part diversity is na-create siya ang support learning environment nga nag-embrace siya sa age differences among students' cultural backgrounds. Next is empathy. Please, please read.
Empathy. Foster empathy and understanding among students from various cultural backgrounds.
So, sa empathy is nag-recognize siya of respect and feeling of other experiences in different cultural background. And the next is equity.
Equity. Strive for educational equity by addressing cultural and socio-economic disparities.
So, equity is create a supportive learning environment sa mga students. So, that's all students have to have access to resources, opportunities, and support system that enable them to succeed regardless of their background of circumstances. So, takeaway, by leveraging personal and professional experiences, educators can create dynamic, empathic, and engaging learning environments that foster student success and personal growth. So the power of experience-driven education is the transformative for both teachers and students. So by thoughtfully integrating a personal and professional experience into educational process, so educators can create a transformative learning environment that empowers students to become well-rounded and critical thinking and problem solvers. So that's all. Thank you.